Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Today I am going to show you cuttlefish curry, cauliflower fry and okra salad. Okay friends, let's get started. I took 2 big size cuttlefish and I have already cleaned this up. We need to clean it like a squid. Cut just below the eyes and beak also need to be removed. Then let's cut the cauliflower. Break them up with fingers, otherwise you may cut them bite-sized pieces. Into the vessel, adding cauliflower pieces, some salt and water. Cover and let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's marinate the cuttlefish. Add some salt, turmeric powder, cumin powder, pepper powder, add some fish masala, then mix it. Now let's check the cauliflower. I think it's done. Half boiled. Turn off the flame to prevent overcooking. Then drain the water completely. For the cuttlefish curry, add some ghee. When the ghee is hot, add some mustard seed, cumin seeds, curry leaves, green chilies and sliced onion. Saute well until golden brown. Then add some salt and mix again. Then add ginger and garlic paste. Give a mix again. Now time to add marinated cuttlefish. Mix everything well. Then add some tomato pieces, cover and cook for few minutes. Now going to cut okra. Cut in small pieces for the salad. Add some salt and red chili powder. Mix it. Cuttlefish is well cooked. Give a mix and add 2 tablespoons red chili powder. Then mix. Finally add 1 cup of coconut milk. Mix it and then cook it for only 5 minutes. Now time to fry the okra for salad. So I am going to use ghee instead of oil. It can be a good replacement for refined cooking oils. Ghee is the perfect healthy cooking fat, so I am using this one. Fry the okra until crisp. Okra is well fried. Remove them and put it on a bowl. Into the fried okra, add sliced shallot, chopped green chili, tomato pieces and grated carrots. Then add some salt and lemon juice. Then mix by hand. Okra salad is a very tasty and healthy recipe. You can also try this, guys. Next I am going to make the batter for cauliflower fry. I took 2 eggs, 1 cup corn flour, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, some salt and pepper. Then mix this. Adding boiled cauliflower in the batter so that the batter coats the cauliflower. Then fry in the same ghee. This is a very simple method. There are many different methods I will post in the coming days. It's done. Turn off the flame and take out. Garnish with some fried curry leaves. Okay friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my upcoming another interesting vlog. Until then, take care. Bye.